everyone, I'm Ianne and today I'll explain how projectile motion works in basketball, the science behind every perfect shot. Every time a player shoots, physics is at play.
When we think of basketball, we usually focus on the player's skill, their arm, their rhythm, and their control. But behind every shot lies a beautiful blend of science and motion. The moment the ball leaves your fingertips, it begins a journey shaped by invisible forces, gravity pulling it down, and your initial push sending it forward. This combination creates what we call projectile motion, a motion that defines not just basketball but every throw, kick, or jump in sports. Whether it's a simple layup or a deep three-pointer, physics decides whether the ball will sink through the net or bounce off the rim. Projectile motion is the curved path an object follows when thrown into the air, affected only by gravity and initial velocity. In basketball, the ball becomes a projectile the instant it leaves the player's hand. That curved path, it's called a parabola. The ball's motion has two parts. One, the horizontal motion, or how far it travels, and two, the vertical motion, or how high it goes. At the top of its path, called the apex, the vertical speed becomes zero before gravity pulls it down again. To make the shot, the player must release the ball at the right angle and speed. Too flat, it falls short. Too high, it overshoots. Studies show that an angle of about 45 degrees gives the best balance between height and distance. Alright, before we wrap things up, let's test how much you know about basketball and physics. Question: which player makes the most shots this season? A. Stephen Curry, B. Luka Doncic, or C. Jason Tatum? Take a moment to think about it. Who do you think it is? And the correct answer is B. Luka Doncic. That's right, Luka Doncic currently leads the league in the field goals this season. Every shot he makes perfectly demonstrates projectile motion, combining the right angle, force, and timing to sink the ball straight through the net. When pros like Stephen Curry shoot, they're applying physics, even without thinking about it. They adjust their force, angle, and timing to find that right trajectory. That's projectile motion in real life. Did you know that the basketball rim is exactly 10 feet high? That means every player has to calculate the right speed and angle to make a shot, even without thinking. And here's another fun fact. A typical basketball stays in the air for just about 1 second during a free throw, short but full of physics.
So the next time you see a basketball fly, remember, it's not just skill, it's science in motion. Projectile motion makes every shot possible. I'm Ianne and that's how physics shots in basketball. Yay! Projectile motion makes every shot possible. Projectile motion makes every shot possible. Motion makes every shot possible. Projectile motion makes every shot possible. I'm Ianne and that's how physics shots. Ako na ikat.